I can see it's hot glue over here.
Welcome to My Car and My Life, the channel where we restore my old custom car I had in the 90s. The car got a second place on Elmia in 1996. Right now we are in the process to restore these gills, or what you call them, on the hood here. We start by cleaning off all hot glue that are on the edges. One finish all the way around. Let's take the other one. Have to take the glue off everywhere. Try to fix these small dimples here. These So, and I somehow will get fiberglass in this. It's too small, I think. I have to figure it out how to do this proper. Should I put tape on this side and lay it like that? Or I should tape on this side and lay it like that? I think I will take Now I can take tape on the underside and put some fiberglass on the upside there. Then I will plane it and fix it like that one too. And this one. First I put some tape on, so I have a flange to put the fiberglass to. Now we put some polyester on the piece and start laying down the fiberglass. Let's check out all these repairs and see how they look. Right now they look a bit hairy with all this fiberglass, but I will clean them up and see how it looks. I think we start with this piece. Then we try to extend the flange a bit and see if we succeeded with that. Take care of all this. Got lots of these tape strips left here I have to take care of. I can do that later. I can feel there is a little gap, not a gap, but it's a recess here. I have to, I think I will go for grinding down the original edge and then lay a layer of fiberglass from this side and out onto this new flange here. Or I may be just fairing out this difference in heights here, but you may get a crack here in the future if you just put fairing on it. But it's really stable. I think it will work without that, because you have this continuous thing here, really stiff. I will think about that, how I want to do it. That's this one, and the other ones. This we just need to trim down a bit. It feels really good. I will start to trim down all this, and we can see how it looks after that, because it's too much plastic on there now. They are really good. Yes. I have attached this spring here to get a line from here to here, so I can cut after a line and got a straight edge here. We hope that it will work. Let's see how it goes. Now you can see, take the string off here. So the extension starts here somewhere. I can see here we have added here we had added about 6 millimeter, I think. So this will look much better, I hope. It's a little bit high. I have to grind it down a little bit more. But that I will do with the grinder instead. That will be good. Next up are these pieces. Have to see if we can get this edge nice. A little repair there, and on the other piece it's a repair here and here. That will be really easy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.